Have you heard about the latest AI Airdrop from Binance? If not, sit back and relax as we dive into the exciting world of blockchain and virtual companions brought to life by Sleepless AI. Sleepless AI is a unique breed of gaming, powered by AI blockchain technology. It's a virtual companion game that utilizes AIGC and LLMs to create an interactive gameplay experience. The beating heart of this game is its native utility token, known as $AI. Players can use this token for a myriad of activities, including in-game purchases, governance decisions, and even in-game PK. So now the question arises, how can you get your hands on these AI tokens? Well, Binance is giving away a whopping $1 million worth of AI tokens in an airdrop, and we're here to guide you on how to claim your share. First things first, you need to have a Binance account. If you don't have one, it's quite simple and straightforward to create. Once you're logged into your account, navigate your way to the Launch Pool section. In Launch Pool, you'll find various new projects you can participate in. Look for the Sleepless AI project and get ready to stake your assets. Binance allows you to stake a range of tokens, including BNB and FDUSD, among others. Choose the token you wish to stake and enter the amount. Remember, the more you stake, the higher your chances of securing a larger portion of the airdrop. Once you've made your choice, confirm your stake, and voila! You have successfully entered the race for the AI Airdrop. Now let's review the key points. The AI Airdrop is a generous giveaway of Sleepless AI's native utility token, happening on Binance. To claim your share, you need to have a Binance account, locate the Sleepless AI project in the Launch Pool section, and stake your assets. The more you stake, the bigger your potential share. Isn't it thrilling to be part of the blockchain revolution, where even gaming has taken a leap into the future? So, don't miss out on this opportunity. Stake your tokens, secure your AI, and step into the virtual world of Sleepless AI. Remember, in the world of blockchain, the early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the early gamer catches the AI token.